United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes up, we say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECC, we'll reach our dreams. All right. Oh, there it goes. Chugging along. We are in April, and today is the 22nd day of April. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day of the week April 22nd falls on. Which today is Earth Day. Did you know that? Days of the week. Days of the week. Snap, snap. Ooh, let's turn that up. Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, snap, snap. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Let's sing it. It's Sunday and there's Monday, louder. Sunday and Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, and today is April 22nd, which means it is Thursday. No, thank you. April 22nd, 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern. It goes with April showers and May flowers, so it's showers, showers, flowers, flowers. No, we said clouds, clouds before. Let's do clouds, clouds. Ready? Here we go. Clouds, clouds, flowers, flowers. Clouds, clouds, flower, flower. Clouds, clouds, flower, flower. Clouds, clouds, flower, flower. Clouds, clouds, flower, flower. Clouds, clouds. Wonderful. There we go. And we said today's weather was going to be cloudy, and it really is. It's cloudy out there, but there's something else out there. What else is going on outside?
Sunny and cold.
It is sunny with clouds, and it is what?
Windy.
Windy. It is very windy. What about tomorrow? Let's make a prediction together. Here we go.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Y, Z. Awesome. We're counting to 20. Cover your eyes. Touch your chin. Touch your elbows. Give yourself a big hug. Oh, tell yourself, I'm so smart. Say, I'm so smart.
I'm so smart.
I'm so smart. If you are, here we go. Let's count to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Counting backwards. That's very nice. From 10, let's say it together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off!
All right, looking at some shapes. My friend right here. What shape is purple? My friend back here. What shape
is brown? Square. My friend right here. What shape is blue? Rectangle. Say it for me. Rectangle. My friend right here. What shape is orange?
Triangle.
My friend back there. What shape is green? Circle. My friend at home. What shape is red?
I'm gonna run it.
Excellent. My friend at home. What is yellow?
Goldfish.
No, that's orange. What's yellow?
What's yellow? Tell her.
Our nursery rhyme this week is Hey Diddle Diddle. Hey Diddle Diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. All right. What is this? What is this? A penny. What is this? Penny. And a penny is
1 cent.
brown. It has a brown kind of color to it, and it is 1 cent. The other ones are silver, so we can see the difference. The penny has a little brown color to it, and other coins have silver. So this is a nickel. It is worth how many pennies?
5 cents.
5 pennies. It is worth 5 cents. Going on, we have a dime. A dime is worth 2 nickels, or how many pennies?
10.
10 pennies. We've learned the letters
L.
L,
S.
S, E,
E.
H,
T.
T, I, U, C, O, Q,
G.
S,
J.
D,
D.
P, B,
E.
and now one letter.
R.
R sounds like a car. Rrr. Let me hear the sound R makes.
R.
Who's this?
Robin.
Robin. This is Rapunzel. And who's this guy here? Rubble from Paw Patrol. They all start with the letter R. We are making our letter R, so let's get out our pieces and our mat. Making our letters now.
Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start at the top.
Mask over your mouth and nose. Not in your mouth.
Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. This is the top. Now it's the bottom. This is the top. It's the middle. This is the top. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Reach up. Way up at the top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Down. Reach down. Way down at the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom, shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top.
Is this the top?
Top, top.
No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle.
Is this the
Top, 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 this is top, top, top.
When you start your letters at the top.
All right, we're making the letter R today. We have all of our pieces at the top. We're going to grab our big line and put it under Mr. Matt's smiling face. I love it. Are we done? No, because we're making the letter R today. What are we going to put at the top? A little curve. Let's go ahead and put that little curve at the top.
What letter did we make?
Oh, not R yet. P. The letter P. Is that our letter this week? No, it is not. So we need to grab a little line. And it's going to be a line? No, it's going to be a little slide. Grab it. Let's make a little slide. You have your little curve on there. Little curve. You made the letter R. Good job, buddy.
Little curve first. Little curve first. Good job.
All right. There is an R in your name, and there's an R in your name, and there's an R in your name, and there's not an R in your name. There's not an R in your name. There's not an R in your... Hey, it's 3 and 3. Pretty cool. And our friend at home. No R in his
No
name.
R in his name at home either.
All right. My turn. Listening ears are on. Inside voices are off. Hands are in your lap. Eyes are on the board. And I say, big line down. Frog jump up. Little curve. Little slide. Whee! One more time. My turn. Listening ears are on. Inside voices off. Eyes are on the board. Crisscross, my friends. And I say, big line down, frog jump up, little curve, little slide. Your turn. Fingers at the top. And you say, big line down, frog jump up, little curve, little slide. Wonderful. I like that. Let's try one more time. Here we go. Fingers at the top. And we say, big line down, frog jump up, little curve, little slide. Whee! Awesome. We made the letter R, and R says roar. All right. Thank you for joining us for Circle Time, and we will see you tomorrow.